The new Nuki Ultra comes with a brand new universal cylinder. As our previous product generations exclusively included a retrofit solution, this may have come as a little bit of a surprise to some of you. But let's explain the benefits of this brand new semi-retrofit premium system. There are three main reasons why you have to change your universal cylinder in order to use the Nuki Ultra. First, check out the size of the Ultra. This is a significant benefit to you, and it's all because of the universal cylinder. We no longer need space for a key and a battery. Second reason, the new universal cylinder comes with the highest security certification available and an extra drill-resistant design providing maximum security. And the third reason, the universal cylinder is a modular design with 96 size options, fitting almost every single door out there. Plus, installation is a breeze with the all-new step-by-step guide in the Nuki app. The new universal cylinder comes with 3 keys, but extensions, key-to-like cylinders, and extra keys can be ordered if needed. Lastly, we are also working on a fully retrofit solution so that you can use the latest Nuki technology without having to change your cylinder.